Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple driving test tip, and the tip is about proper steering wheel hand placement. Now here's the thing, there is a right way and a wrong way to do pretty much everything with regards to driving. And if you do it the wrong way, you're going to be more likely to lose points on your driving test. If you do it the right way, you're going to be more likely to pass your driving test. And I'm assuming that you're watching this video because you really want to pass your driving test and get your license. So just listen up closely and follow along as I tell you exactly what to do. The proper steering wheel hand placement is basically one of two positions, and it all depends on what you prefer and where you live and what is sort of commonly accepted where you live. So let me go over this very simply. If you can imagine your steering wheel as a clock, right? Imagine it as an analog clock. The top center, you have 12 o'clock. Then you have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, all the way back until 12 o'clock. I want you to take your hands and I want you to place them on the steering wheel at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Now for me, and this is going to be reversed because this is on my side, right? You're going to do this in the opposite way. You know, 2 o'clock, for 2 o'clock, I'm going to get my right hand, I'm going to place it at the 2 o'clock position, and for 10 o'clock, I'm going to get my left hand and place it at the 10 o'clock position. I now have my hands at 10 and 2. This is a very good steering wheel hand placement, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Simply because it allows you to have maximum control over the vehicle, and it's comfortable, and it's really going to allow you to control that vehicle as much as you possibly can. Now the second option, the other option, is the 9 and 3. Now if you look at your steering wheel, there will most likely be some sort of pillars close to where the steering wheel is, sort of at the 9 and 3 position. And what you want to do is you want to take your hands and place them around those 9 and 3 spots. Very simply put. Now, the driving test examiner is going to be looking for those things, so you should definitely do them, okay? You want to get your hands placed on the steering wheel in the right spots. Now, with that being said, if you place your hands on the steering wheel in the right spots, it in itself is going to allow the examiner to look at you in a positive light, okay? Also, in addition to that, you're going to have more control over the vehicle, so that's going to allow you to stand a better chance at passing the test. Also, your turns, your lane changes, everything else will be smoother. And that in itself is going to give you a better chance of passing the test. When you combine those three factors together, the fact that the examiner is going to look at you in a better light, the fact that you're going to have more control, and the fact that everything's going to be smoother, when you combine all three of those factors together, guess what you get? You get a very likely chance at actually passing your driving test and getting your license. So it's literally that simple. Steering wheel hand placement actually plays a huge, humongous, massive, monstrous role in your ability to pass the driving test. If you're holding the wheel like this, if you're holding it like this, all that the examiner is going to be thinking is, this person is so unsafe, let me not pass them, because the examiner is going to be thinking, do they really want you on the road? Do they really want you on the road? Probably not. They're going to pass you if they feel like you're a safe driver, and your hand placement is something that they see all the time. Whenever you're driving, your hand placement is there, they're going to see it constantly. Constant positive thoughts they're going to be thinking of you. Also, I should say this, you should be trying to keep two hands on the wheel as often as you possibly can. Does that mean that you have to keep two hands on the wheel all the time? No, because if you're driving a manual car, you have to shift and so forth. But with that being said, if you're driving an automatic car, you should basically try to keep two hands on the wheel for the entire test, okay? Is that realistic and practical in the sense that that's what you're going to do as you're driving on a daily basis with your license? No, you have to adjust the radio, the climate control, blah, blah, blah. But for the test, keep two hands on the wheel literally as much as you possibly can. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over a driving test tip regarding the proper steering wheel hand placement. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.